What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make an unlimited points in mcent browser. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So the first thing you need is mcent browser. I hope you have an mcent browser in your mobile. So open it. So you can see I have some points in my account, like 1270 points. So I'm going to tell you one trick. By that trick, you're going to get some points without doing nothing. I mean, you should open one link and keep your phone aside, and you will start gaining points automatically. I think you know how this works. When you surf the internet in the browser, you get some points. So let me show you one link which refresh itself for every 1 second. You heard right, for every 1 second the link gets restarts, I mean refreshes itself. So you can see the first thing you need to do is enter your phone number, which should be linked with mcent account. So you can see the apps getting restart for every 1 second and also adding some points inside it. It actually do, you can see I already got to like 1284. Previously I had 1270. It is actually working. So most of the time this link will be full of people, so you won't get a chance sometime. For that reason I'm providing the second link, which is by web5. This also do the same work as the first link. It also restarts for every 1 second and provides you some points. But I prefer using the first link is good than the second link because I got more points on first link than second link. So after opening a certain link, just keep, keep your phone aside and do your work, and come and check later after like half an hour what. You'll get your points, recharge your mobile, have fun. This is a very easiest trick. You can say I got some points like 1322. Let me add it to my account. I will add to my account. Wait. Yeah, I think I can do now. Yeah, success. So let me tell you one thing, guys. This app is fast in recharge. Okay, when I did my first recharge, it is fast. Yes, by just one click, I got my recharge done. I got a message. So you can get an unlimited number of points. Just open your link, keep your phone aside, and boom, you'll get your points to recharge. Your work is done. So meet you in the next video, guys. Thank you all.